Hello friends, today I've decided to create something small, a page, and it's a very simple page, but you can be able now to print your own ID under this. So what I'm going to have done, I decided to use all my corporate uh, color codes to make my screen look the way it is, and without wasting a lot of time, first of all, come here and say we want a passport. We want a passport image. I will design like uh, like pizza. So that one. Also, we find a logo for either institution. There is a logo like Harvard University logo. Input images. We download this one. Here it is. Now we come to our image and go to downloads. The first thing is the logo. Here it is. The name of the institution. Let's say Harvard University. Also the passport, the name. Let's say John Doe, and the admission number J15 slash A slash number 1235 slash area 34, and of course so national computer science, and computer science, and then we click here generate 4D. Here it is. Here it is. Here you can be able to print it. We print with Coursera, how it will display. We will print with for now I don't have any printers here. Just Coursera, but we will print here as a PDF to change to that one. But now for T now we see that we remove the BG remover. And we select that one, download. download the Zenaton, and come here we that one change here then we generate as out. That's how our video will be like. So tell me if you want to create create a tutorial of how to create something like this. You can comment down on this video on the description. You can comment down and you suggest where to improve on or you share the how I came up with this design. So have a lovely day. Thank you.